Xiaomi has launched its Mijia Natural Wind Floor Standing Air Conditioner in China. The new model is priced at 4,299 yuan, $630, and targets large living spaces such as combined living and dining areas. The air conditioner delivers a circulating air volume of up to 1752 cubic meter per hour, which ensures faster temperature adjustments across large rooms. It features a wide 115-degree air supply angle, allowing it to distribute air evenly throughout the space. The unit supports airflow distribution over a distance of up to 13 meters, reaching every corner of the room without users needing to sit directly in its path. The Mijia AC delivers rapid cooling and heating, with cooling in 30 seconds and heating in 60 seconds. It operates in extreme conditions, from -32 degrees Celsius for heating to 60 degrees Celsius for cooling, making it suitable for all seasons. Xiaomi has equipped the Mijia air conditioner with a 181 mm wide air outlet and a 2,600 square centimeters area for softer airflow. It features a multi-zone airflow system with upper and lower sectional distribution, offering modes like canopy wind for overhead cooling and carpet wind for lower airflow, enhancing comfort indoors. The air conditioner achieves an APF rating of 4.75, which enhances energy efficiency compared to older models. It supports Xiaomi HyperOS Connect, enabling users to control it through the Mijia app. The system also integrates with Xiao AI voice control when paired with supported devices. Xiaomi has included full-length OTA updates for the indoor and outdoor units, ensuring the air conditioner remains optimized over time.